In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a Squarespace template. One important thing to know right from the start is that Squarespace does not offer a direct reset button for changing your template back to a completely fresh version. So if you were expecting a one-click template reset, that option isn't currently available. However, there are still a couple of practical ways to get a refreshed look and feel for your site, and that's exactly what I'll walk you through. To begin, open your Squarespace website editor. Once you're inside the site, look toward the top right corner and click on Site Styles. This is where Squarespace gives you control over the visual appearance of your website, including things like colors, fonts, spacing, and overall design settings. After that, click on Themes. This section lets you explore different visual style combinations that can dramatically change how your site looks without needing to rebuild everything from scratch. If your goal is to make the site feel new again, this is usually the closest option to resetting the template experience. Now go ahead and select a theme. As you browse, take a moment to preview the options carefully. Different themes can give your website a very different personality, so it helps to choose one that matches the style you want before making further adjustments. This approach is useful if you want to refresh the current site while keeping your existing content in place. If changing the theme isn't enough, the other option is to create another website template instead. This is the better path if you want a truly clean starting point, or if your current site has too many custom changes and you'd rather begin again with a fresh setup. In other words, since there's no direct template reset, creating a new website can serve as your reset workaround. Once you've finished reviewing the available themes or deciding what you want to do next, click on Exit to leave the style editor and return to the main area of Squarespace. From there, go down to the bottom left and click on your profile. This will take you to your Squarespace account area where you can manage your sites more broadly. Finally, click on Create Website. This lets you start a brand new site using a new template or starting design, which is the closest method to fully resetting your Squarespace template when the current site can't be directly switched back. If you want the quickest refresh, use themes. If you want the cleanest reset, create a new website. And that's how to reset a Squarespace template.